She's gonna drop that thing and drive, and the world's gonna spin backwards.
After hundreds of hours of work between ourselves, Westen Champlin, and Lacey Blair, it's finally time to test the Cummins swap Bronco on the Rubicon and some sketchy narrow slot canyons. We've been driving all day. We haven't slept in weeks. We're stopped in this hardcore road traffic, and Ethan's like, oh, these guys are walking their dogs right now. We're gonna be here for a while. Then I see this kid actually walking a dog next to me.
I don't know how you thought that these folks are walking their dogs is a metaphor.
Everyone is out. There's 3 people walking their dogs.
Which is terrifying because it means we're gonna be here for a while.
The signs. In theory, the Rubicon is that way. Turns out the rubber seal on the gas cap is completely disintegrated, so somebody had a Target bag. You excited to work on this thing, Lacey?
I absolutely love it. It's bigger than I thought it would be. I think y'all killed it on the suspension, and I'm really excited to see how it handles today.
Your first trail is one of the most famous ones ever.
I know, and I heard there's rattlesnakes out here, dude. I'm not prepared for that.
You don't even like beetles.
No, and these things swindle about on the ground. It's horrible.
See those bump stops in action.
The guy in charge of this whole production, the eBay Motors rep here, is taking her out for a rip. I'm just glad that eBay is having as much fun as we are. Yeah. Hey! Yeah. This is for real. This is for real. Here it goes, tilting up, tilting up. Yeah.
No way, dude.
It did it like
that is easy. So easy looking.
Is that your control?
It's the controls.
That is so sick.
It's like a giant. So you turn it on, and then you got your tilt.
Oh.
No way!
This is so much steeper than the other
dude.
one.
No way!
Yikes! If it does this, Mike dropped. Oh!
No way! No way! Are you seeing this? Yeah! That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, no, it was awesome. I expected it to feel more off camera because it kind of looks off camera, but it was just straight up.
We were straight up and down. Like, you could not see a thing. That was the most vertical.
Going back down, that's going to be
Oh, we have to go back.
Oh, we're going down that?
As far as I know, we're turning around and coming back.
We're going down
No,
that!
we're not going down that.
It's going to be a lot worse because the brakes are not as good as the power.
Oh.
That's gonna get scary.
Oh no.
Dude, swindle to the 10th degree, bro. Premium.
Yeah.
This is its first mile ever was on the Rubicon.
Which is amazing. That's the best thing ever.
So to celebrate Ariat's winter sale, we're gonna take that redneck go-kart on 46-inch tires, and I'm gonna drive it over that mound of snow. And by drive it, I mean go as fast as I can.
This jump is taller than the roof of the skid steer, dude. Last time you did it, it was like here.
Yeah, I know. It's basically a 6-foot-tall jump.
Yeah, it's also 5 degrees outside, so our Ariat gear is keeping us super warm.
The first pair of Ariat pants I ever got still don't have holes in them, which is shocking because normally I wear out pants in like 6 months.
This stuff's great. My favorite part though, because I'm Safety Steve, I got this little glasses cleaner.
Nice.
That's the most sophisticated thing I've ever seen.
Let's see if she runs.
Last time we drove this thing, it was overheating like crazy. But now that it's 5 degrees, we might be able to run it a little bit longer.
It just went right over, like, it looked like a speedboat, honestly.
Winter sale is December 26th through January 4th.
Use our link to get 10% off. We can seriously not recommend their gear enough.
It's super premium.
If you guys want to see our Ariat favorites, there's a link below to all the gear that we wear on the show every day.
I've got 1 Ariat hoodie. I've got 2 Ariat hoodies. I got 3 Ariat hoodies. And 4 Ariat hoodies.
Will is always wearing 4 hoodies, and including the time he crashed his street bike and hit a deer at 80 miles an hour.
It saved my life, so it's just the rule of thumb I go by. What the heck is this, dude? That's no ordinary pine cone, my friend. That is a cactus pine cone. One of the most dangerous pine cones in the whole desert just hit me in my elbow. It's spiky.
Oh no.
That's ridiculous. Why does everything in the desert want to kill you?
There's just snakes and cactus pine cones.
And beetles and toads. Yeet.
We did some top speed runs on the way back to the hotel and passed it off to Lacey Blair. And when we came back, we could not believe what she did with this thing in just like 2 weeks.
I had to dig a couple boogers out. That's how you know it's really getting sandy, you know?
We're not off-roaders. We have no idea what we're doing right now. I need some tips, so help me out.
Skinny pedal.
Skinny pedal.
Push it.
Push it.
Noted.
Okay. Well, we don't have 4-wheel drive. So
That's
we're
not
gonna
good.
need like a toe strap or something.
She's gonna drop that thing and drive, and the world's gonna spin backwards. Here's the thing, skinny pedal on the right. I know we haven't had much chance to use it today, but this is where we use it. This is where we show that we're senders.
On the waterfall.
This isn't a waterfall, that's a water small.
I mean, I guess most men would say it's average. You hear that up there? That rumbling up front?
That's where dreams are made.
Or where you can make dreams.
This is my makeshift seatbelt. We're missing the Pokemon Go stuff right now.
I know.
There's no service where we are.
I know.
At all. Don't see any cell towers here.
We're just missing community day. It's sad.
Somebody out there, please just catch
so sad.
shinies for us and friend us.